Hey guys! So, for today's vlog, sosurpresahin natin si Gabriela. Feeling ko talaga magugustuhan ni Love to kasi usually, sinosurpresa ko lang siya kapag may events, occasions, mga ganun. But now, it's just a regular day for the both of us. So tignan nyo, meron akong bear, meron akong mga balloons dyan, and of course, dito yung flowers. Yan na! So boys, take note ha. The best surprises are the unexpected ones. Guys, nandiyan na siya, narinig ko na. Shhh, nandiyan na siya. Let's go, let's go.